What are we about to do?
Diet.
You excited?
Yes.
All right, everybody. It is going to be 28 degrees tonight. So we are prepping for the cold snap. We're getting hay for everyone. Rabbits, pigs, goats, making sure that maybe the newer baby chicks, I don't know what to do with them. Hopefully they'll be okay and be smart and just stay in the coop while it's cold. I mean, they go up to roost, so they should be fine, I'm thinking. I don't know. I might throw them back in the brooder box just for the next couple days because, I mean, it's gonna be really chilly and windy. So, let's see, what's new since the last time? Let's get everybody caught up. So, just a little while ago, we had some friends come and drop off this little guy because he needed a new home and he's super sweet. Pretty sure he's a fuzzy lop. They were told otherwise and they were having some allergy issues. So I am not allergic to fuzzy lops, so they're hanging out here. Let's check up on everybody here. Hello, hello. All right, loud ones. We hear you guys. We hear you guys. Alright, so you saw in our last video that we moved the pigs. They're doing great down there. That's working out just fine. We've been prepping the beds, all the raised beds, pulling all the weeds, getting everything ready and set up for planting after this cold snap's over. Alright, let's go check on the goats. So Willow is still not cool with being milked at all. She just, it's quite a challenge. I had to have James help me last night, basically hold her back legs off the ground so I could just relieve some pressure. I have a goat milking machine coming today and I am so excited. So I can actually start saving the milk. For cheeses and products. I think we're gonna start doing some goat milk soaps for the shop. But here's Miss Willow. She's doing great. But we got her a friend, and this is Hazel. And Hazel's a little skittish, but she's warming up to everybody. After we got rid of Maple, Willow needed a friend. Because goats just don't do well by themselves. So we got her a friend because this pretty little girl needed a home. And it's okay. It's okay. See, she's just, she came from a situation where I think the people that originally had her, they weren't giving her a lot of attention. And she has a hole in her ear, like where she had a tag in her ear. So I don't know the situation, so I guess I shouldn't pretend like I know, but she needs to be brushed really badly. She's losing her winter coat. When the rescue got her, they said she was nothing but skin and bones, and you know, the vet said she's got a clean bill of health. She's up to date on all of her vaccines. She recently had her hoofs trimmed. So she's good and she's been putting on weight. So we're gonna just continue to pack on those pounds and make sure she gets lots of yummy chaff hay. And we'll get her looking good. She's definitely, you know, come to the right place. We will we'll definitely take care of her here. All right, let's talk about Mr. Repo. Mr. Repo killed a baby chick today. Well, one of my half-grown chicks. And I am not happy with him at all. I put him in the goat stall and locked him in there for a little while because I'm just like, I'm done. I told James, I'm like, obviously I'm doing something wrong. He doesn't listen to me. He's eating our chickens. I'm done. So I was just angry. It's very frustrating with the Congol's or any livestock guardian dog while they're going through their training process and learning process. Sometimes there will be some dead chickens. Just like, you're supposed to be protecting these animals. Why are you eating the animals? So it's very frustrating. Alright, I'm gonna keep everybody covered up tight. Everybody's got hay. Everyone's gonna get lots of blankets covering them. And hopefully we won't have any frozen baby bunnies in the morning. I don't know. Maybe I should bring them inside. Really don't like rabbits in the house. But, I mean, it would just be for 2 days until the weather warms back up. And it's gonna be 70 this weekend. And then I don't know if it's gonna get down below freezing again anymore. Hopefully not, because I'm ready to get this garden planted. All right, Repo, you're okay. So Repo is now tethered. So when I'm outside, he is tied up because that is one thing I wasn't doing with him. So we're gonna see how this goes. That way he's around all the animals, but the animals can get away from him if they are feeling threatened, because he's not trying to kill them to be mean. He's trying to play with them until they stop moving. So we just need to prevent that from happening. So he's gonna be tied up when we're outside, only when we're outside. And then when we go in, you know, he can come in with us. So hopefully that solves that problem completely. We need to go get some wood inside so we can have a few more fires, and then I'm going to put the wood stove away for the season, which is bittersweet. I love my wood stove, but I am ready for warmer weather.
So we're back inside. We're just hanging out with the little bunnies. We brought the mama bunny and the baby bunnies inside because it was gonna be cold tonight. So we decided we were going to put them inside instead of keeping them outside. So the little bunnies are in here. You want to see them? Okay, so there they are. Right there. Miss Lola is coming! Ah! Just kidding. Lola is a sweetheart. Okay, so, and here is her babies. Here, you want to see them? Hold on. It's kind of hard to open this. If you want to see them, okay. Can you see them? It's sort of hard to see them. Here's one. It's so fluffy. No, it's not that fluffy. It's covered in her hair. Okay. So let's close that back up. Hello, Miss Genevieve. Why are you giggling? See you in the next video. Bye.